How do you feel today?
Thank you. I can't help it. Just so-so. I don't know.
How do you feel today?
Just so-so.
What is your family name?
Thank you for inviting me. Williams. With pleasure. I'd be glad to help.
What is your family name?
Williams.
How much is it?
That's right. It's a pencil. More than 3 years. It's $10.
How much is it?
It's $10.
I get carsick easily.
You should get the window seat. Don't forget your umbrella. You will all have fun. How much paper do you need?
I get carsick easily.
You should get the window seat.
He's very angry with you.
He is very smart. He needs a lot of help. He is mad because I beat him in chess. He is a great man.
He's very angry with you.
He is mad because I beat him in chess.
Who broke this window?
He is my younger brother. Your neighbor broke the window. He is very boring. No, she is Canadian.
Who broke this window?
Your neighbor broke the window.
What's your friend's name?
He is very smart. He said he is from Canada. Yes, he does. His name is John Smith.
What's your friend's name?
His name is John Smith.
May I try it on?
Sure. Yes, he does. Medium size. I don't know.
May I try it on?
Sure.
What month is this?
Absolutely right. More than a month. I will stay for 3 weeks. This is January.
What month is this?
This is January.
I can't stop laughing.
What a pity. I'm a little bit tired. This movie is my favorite because it is funny. Yeah, everything's fine.
I can't stop laughing.
This movie is my favorite because it is funny.
How are you this evening?
I'm a little bit tired. I did not eat lunch today. Coffee, please. I usually eat out.
How are you this evening?
I'm a little bit tired.
I need you very much.
I'm taking history. Thank you for inviting me. I am here to stay. No, I'm not tired.
I need you very much.
I am here to stay.
What day was yesterday?
In about 5 minutes. This is January. Around $5 or $6. Yesterday was Sunday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday.
Which department do you work for?
We will work on the job later. I work in the sales department. I got a new job in the city. I start work at 9 o'clock.
Which department do you work for?
I work in the sales department.
I'd like to speak with Mr. Kim.
Mr. Kim is busy on another phone. His name is John Smith. He speaks better than me. This is Mr. Smith speaking.
I'd like to speak with Mr. Kim.
Mr. Kim is busy on another phone.
Aren't you thirsty?
Yes, he does. Yes, I could use a glass of water. Yes, please be home at 10 o'clock. Coffee, please.
Aren't you thirsty?
Yes, I could use a glass of water.
What's the capital of your country?
He said he is from Canada. I come from Bangkok. I am from Austria. The capital of my country is Mexico City.
What's the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is Mexico City.
What time shall we leave?
In about 5 minutes. It's $10. No, I take my time. I was about to leave.
What time shall we leave?
In about 5 minutes.
Let's take a break.
Yes, a lot of friends. We will work on the job later. I'd be glad to help. I can't help it.
Let's take a break.
We will work on the job later.
I'm afraid it will rain.
You should get the window seat. To the beach, please. I'll call the plumber to get it fixed. Don't forget your umbrella.
I'm afraid it will rain.
Don't forget your umbrella.